Welcome to Shahajirao Patil Vikas Pratishthan's SB Patil College of Engineering, Indapur. SB Patil Institute is established in year 2009 under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Harshvardhanji Patil Sahib, the ex-Minister of Maharashtra, with the objective of creating state-of-the-art learning facilities in selected fields of engineering and technology. College is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, formerly known as University of Pune, which is one of the world's oldest and prestigious university. Further, SBPCOE is approved by AICTE, that is All India Council of Technical Education, and Government of Maharashtra for assuring quality education. SBPCOE is accredited by ISO 9001-2015 and National Assessment and Accreditation Council. The institute has fully developed infrastructure and provides 4 years course leading to bachelor's degree of Pune University in 5 various branches, namely civil, computer, electronics and telecommunication, mechanical and electrical engineering. The Department of Civil Engineering at SB Patil College of Engineering, Indapur was established right from the inception of the institute in 2009. Since then, Civil Engineering Department has contributed not only in academic excellence but also in research and development. Civil engineering is arguably the oldest engineering discipline. It deals with the built environment and can be dated as someone for the first time has built a shelter for his or herself or has led a tree trunk across a river to get it crossed easily. Civil engineering is an exciting profession because at the end of the day you can see the results of your work, whether this is the completed bridge, a high-rise building, a subway station, or a hydroelectric dam. In the department, the teaching and non-teaching staff is a blend of senior, experienced and young dynamic faculty members devoted to the noble cause of education, along with the staff quarters in campus. All the faculty members are highly qualified and experienced with their devotion towards teaching. Civil Engineering Department conducts an extensive research on how will the students get best jobs and placements. Every semester we arrange industrial visits as well as lectures for our students to get thorough and practical knowledge about their subject. Technical events such as student development program, short-term training programs for students and faculties, experts lectures on various subjects. 1 to 2 days workshops are organized by the department for the development of knowledge. Not only this, department also celebrates various events and activities such as Teachers' Day, Engineers' Day, World Water Day, Earth Day, and road safety awareness programs, etc. SBPCOE also has a computerized library with Vriddhi software which includes reference selection, e-library facility and study zone for students. It has a rich collection of more than 5,000 books costing over 10 lakh rupees. This includes textbooks, references, national and international journals and magazines, etc. Computer centers and library is opened at night during exams and preparation leaves for students. Institute also caters the aesthetic interest of our students by organizing various cultural programs. The institute is having a spacious ground, modern gym and facilities for both indoor and outdoor games. In addition to academics, the students are engaged in sports and cultural events to provide a healthy relief from rigorous routine. Participation in sports, cultural and spiritual activities, rural immersion, environmental and social drives, trekkings, etc., are encouraged to develop a level of emotional quotient and a team spirit in the students. We feel that such qualities and skills, over and above the professional inputs, are essential for a long prospective career in the rapidly changing global scenario. Spacious buildings, lush green campus, well-equipped laboratories, digital library with e-resources for scholarly studies, and moreover a peaceful atmosphere make learning a pleasure here. We encourage the industries in turn to play an active role as our partners in education through MOV. The results are seen in the excellent placement of each department. We are committed to a successful future and better placement opportunities for our students. We ensure that students get the best jobs available in the market. Students are groomed in the soft skill programs that gives them an edge when they appear in the interview process of any company. We have set up training and placement cell where the efforts of students are converted into a dream job offers in reputed companies at the level of third year. We at SPVP's SB Patil College of Engineering strive to cultivate students who are not only successful in their personal and professional fields but also take upon themselves the challenge to fetch science and technology to the doorsteps of the common man and to propel India as the leader in the emerging technologies, particularly in rural area.
Environmental staff always insist on the students that you are for the society and you are only the creator of the societal needs. So be loyal to your duties and profession.
Hello, this is Professor Nagesh Srinivasi, Head of Civil Engineering Department, SPPC. We continuously strive to cultivate technical skills, managerial skills, professional skills and ethical values in our students so that they can become a competent professional civil engineer in his career.
Thank you very much for your patience.